Add Coke to eggshells, and you won't have problems anymore. This surprising combination works better than you think. To start, you'll need eggshells from 5 eggs. They can be fresh from a morning omelet. At least you'll use them right away. You'll also need about 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola. It can be the kind that's already flat, the one you were planning to pour out anyway. Pour Coca-Cola over the eggshells. After a moment, transfer them to a blender or some mixer. Turn on the blender, and finally grind the eggshells. It will take a moment. It's important that the eggshells grind well during this time. Pour the mixture of eggshells and Coca-Cola into a tall container. You need to add another ingredient for the mixture to work best. Pour at least 100 milliliters of dishwashing or dishwashing liquid. It can be any kind you use most often. Also, add the same amount of water, about 100 milliliters. Mix everything and pour it into any bottle. A bottle with a spout works best. Close the bottle and keep it in the kitchen by the sink. The liquid has incredible uses. It's exceptionally effective at cleaning the bottom of pans and metal pots. With this product, you can clean all metal surfaces where dirt is hard to remove. It works especially well for scrubbing burnt spots on the bottom of a pot. All the dirt comes off quickly. You can also use it to remove dried food residues from dishes. Don't use it on delicate Teflon and plastic dishes or surfaces. This magical liquid is incredibly helpful for tough stains. It works better than many cleaners. Just use a regular dish sponge and this liquid.